Good morning. We made it to the Oregon coast. We came out here, visited my dad, visited my mom, nephew, brother, and we actually camped near the beach.
Or spent the night.
We spent the night. Because we got into town pretty late, so we just rolled up next to the beach, and we were there in time for sunset, so I got a little sunset time lapse. And then also it was the night of the Northern Light possibility. So I took a chance and I threw the GoPro up on the roof of the camper, set the timer for like 11 p.m. and then just it turned on and just ran. So what I got is what I got.
And then we went to bed.
Yeah.
Instead of staying up late to watch the Aurora Borealis,
yeah.
it was like we set the VCR.
Yeah.
Then we watched it later.
We did keep the skylight open, but I could not sleep with that open because I just kept looking and poking my head out like a little groundhog, trying to see if I could see anything. So I ended up shutting that.
Because of the light pollution, I did not expect to see anything. So I'm not staying up till midnight or whatever. I wish I would have now.
Yeah, so check out the footage we got.
Not too bad for the light pollution we had there.
I was surprised we got what we did. Now, I saw a bunch of pictures of like the pinks and the purples, and we didn't see so much of that, but there's some greens and blues, and it was really beautiful. And
have you seen them before?
I never have.
I've seen them before. I was pretty young, living in Montana.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen them before, but it's pretty cool.
Yeah, very cool.
I can't say we saw them this time though.
No, we didn't see him with our naked eye. And honestly, I think the camera picks up more than your eye can see anyway. So, from what I hear.
I'm curious whoever saw it, where you were. Just kind of curious to see what, because I saw stories of people that saw it in Florida. And
yeah.
So where were you, and did you see it?
Yeah, drop us a comment. Let me know.
I'm curious to see where all. I know all our friends in Idaho, Montana, I mean, they in the northern part of the country saw it, but kind of curious where else it might have showed up.
How unusual, though. Like Florida coastline, it's just like hot
crazy.
Pink and purple. And
super cool.
Beautiful.
We'll get to Alaska one of these times. And
yeah, we will. Whatever. We don't
do what we want.
We don't have to put that on the Northern Lights now. We can cross that off the list.
We just haven't seen it though.
Oh.
It doesn't count.
Oh, I didn't know that. Today we're on a mission. Dave is on a mission. I'm along for the ride. What's our agenda today?
Cheese.
We're headed north out of Newport. We're heading to the it's really our yearly pilgrimage to the Tillamook cheese factory.
Gotta get my curds.
Dave's got to get his curds on.
But not too many.
No.
There's the right amount of cheese curds, and then there's too many cheese curds. So you gotta get the right amount.
Yeah, they do freeze pretty good though.
Yeah, a little bit. I mean, they're okay, but we're gonna go see the boys. They like them.
Yeah, we'll take them a couple bags, and but we're headed up further north in Tillamook. Normally we kind of cut off at Tillamook or come back down south, but this time we're going beyond, and then we're gonna drop into Vancouver and Portland area from the north.
Yeah, we're gonna go up, maybe not all the way to Astoria, but up towards Astoria, and then there's some back roads that'll drop down to the Vancouver Portland area that we've never been to before. So
yeah,
it'll probably take us three or four days to go like 200 miles.
Yeah, so come with us.
Let's do it.
A deer.
Have you seen one?
Mission accomplished. They only had white cheddar this time. But I like white cheddar. But these are for you.
Salty, squeaky goodness.
Are they? I'm not a huge fan. Like, I like them and I love cheese, but I don't love them as much as you do.
Well, I think because when I was a kid, for a little, my grandpa worked at a dairy, and he'd bring home, I have a memory of him bringing home like this old metal bucket of cheese curds. And dropping pistols and crumbs. Okay.
That's good. They're not super squeaky, though. Yummy. Okay, from Tillamook Cheese Factory, we're actually heading south a few miles to, we passed it on the way up. It's the
Blue Heron
cheese
place.
Yep. And we've stayed there before. They're a harvest host, and they have a nice field or their parking lot. Stay in. They have animals to feed.
And it's nice because you can do the same day request. You don't have to like get online and book it. You can get there. They have lots of parking. You can just go in, fill out a form. We get lots of things to buy.
Specialty foods.
Wine tasting, snacks.
Yeah, really cute little gift shop there with all kinds of yums.
And I'm not sure if it's still there, but there was they have a lot of antique vehicles.
All right, let's go see if we can snag a spot. Blue Heron French Cheese Factory. And they've got all this, so we're right over here. Got a spot. They've got all this old equipment. I love this old train. And the parking lot did fill up last night. A few people have rolled out already, but in the summer they open up this whole field and it's just packed with RVs. But
and you can stay for 2 days if you want.
Yeah.
My voice is cracked.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
They open at 8 o'clock and I'm on a mission. They sell animal feed over here and I'm gonna feed some animals. Because why not? It sounds like a good way to start a day. I have animal food. You are gonna feed some animals?
I'll film you.
Come on.
Oh, I don't care.
I want to go to the big animals, so I feel like everybody feeds the little animals. Although that pig is pretty cute.
There's a peacock with the white up.
Oh yes, isn't he gorgeous? Wow, okay. Hi, I'm gonna go down here though. So you guys get fed a lot. I bet some donkeys would like some food. Come here, baby. I gotta give it out. Get your oats. Here, I'll come down. Come get your oats. Oh, you're hungry. You're a hungry guy. Here, you need some. Hi. Oh, you got a soft muzzle, huh? Yeah, you do. There you go. Okay, you need one more handful. That wasn't fair. Gotta be even Steven here. Okay. Hi. Oh, he's so soft. That's all I got. I'm out. I'm sorry. I'm out. Oh, he's licking my hand. He's licking it.
Bad as pistol. Oh, I see it.
I got crumbs. Oh my god. I didn't say I've never had a donkey lick my hand before. Ah, yeah. Get all the crumbs. That's all I got. Sorry. You got a lot though. gosh. Okay, got all cleaned up. I think we're going to try and hit this trail. It's about 20 minutes north of here, Tillamook. And it's in Rockaway Beach, and it's an old growth forest, and it's just a really short, easy boardwalk that kind of walks through it. Not a lot of parking at the trailhead, so we'll see if we can snag a spot, but if not, she's probably perfectly happy to just hang out. But I think it'd be a nice, easy trail for her to partake.
Wake up with.
Yeah. All right, down the road we go.
Back in the
Yeah. Okay, we found a spot, so I'm gonna get her geared up and awake, and we'll get on this little boardwalk. It goes over kind of a boggy area and through some really big old growth, so pretty cool.
Old growth cedar, right?
Yeah, cedars. So this protects the largest remaining example of coastal cedar wetland. 1 mile boardwalk. Oh, 50 acres. 50-acre old-growth forest of giant western hemlock Douglas fir. And it ends at one of the largest western red cedars in North America. We got a snake. Ooh, look at him. It's a sneaky snake. What? Look how big that is.
Funky.
Holy cow. Oh my word. Yeah, stand by it. So I get a reference. Wow. One of the largest in North America, yeah. Estimated to be 18 to 1,200 years old. Oh, 8 to 1,200. 50 feet in circumference. Wow. I'm impressed.
It was among the few coastal trees to survive the impact of a massive tsunami.
Yeah, I suppose at that age, huh? Man, it's gnarly. It's seen some stuff.
As you look up, note the hemlocks that are sprouted high above, setting their roots down through the cedar's core.
Oh yeah, it said to look up and see the trees growing out of it. Wow, this tree has seen some stuff. Can you imagine? Yeah, here's another biggie. Oh, that's what they said, half the trail was closed. Wow. I'm impressed. This is very cool. And an easy hike.
22 minutes.
Yeah.
With pistol smell on every branch.
That's good. Well, she'd smell and then she'd run, so that worked out. This is just beautiful in here. From here, we're heading north. We're going to check out, I think, a campground just a few miles from here. I don't know where we're getting it up, honestly. So we'll just catch you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.